This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include cooled seats, a navigation system, a Bose stereo system, alloy wheels, side impact airbags, air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, running boards, and this vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Stonebriar Chevrolet in Frisco for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 9950 Highway 121, just east of Stonebriar Mall, and only minutes from anywhere in the Metroplex.